Hey everybody, it's Dale Marsh here, lead buyer specialist with the Santa Sells Houses team, and I'm joined today by
Eric Gagne, our insurance guy representing Town and Country Mutual Insurance, and I am here to answer all
insurance inquiries. So today's question is, how does owning a pool affect your home insurance, and what are the liabilities associated with that?
So when owning a home, if you have a swimming pool, you would want to make sure that you have somewhere on your policy listed that you have a swimming pool and that you have liability extending to your swimming pool. It's very important to make sure that your insurer, insurance company or broker or agent knows about the swimming pool to ensure that it has the proper coverage not only on the pool but on the liability insurance itself for the pool.
One thing I just thought of, is there a difference between an above ground pool and in-ground pool for liability, or is it more just the value of the pool?
No, it's just more the value of the pool. So as far as a risk is concerned, obviously an in-ground pool is more susceptible to somebody falling into the pool than an above ground pool. So this is a situation where no matter what type of pool you have, ensuring that you're at $2 million liability for your property insurance versus $1 million. So a lot of homes out there still have policies in place where the swimming pool is on the property, but there's only $1 million liability insurance. If you have a situation where you have a claim of an injury or a more serious claim than that, then you could be in a situation where you're being brought in on a lawsuit and being held negligent as a homeowner. So you want to make sure that you're above $1 million liability, so at least purchase $2 million liability when you have a swimming pool.
Okay. Yeah, I guess $1 million these days unfortunately doesn't cover a whole lot, right? When you get into a major catastrophe type scenario, right? So have you ever had a claim where a pool was damaged itself, like say a tree falls or a tornado type scenario?
We've had windstorms that damage liners. So liners can get pretty expensive too. So it's a pretty significant claim on a in-ground pool with a liner. So we sometimes have furniture that falls into a pool during the winter time, or you have some other debris that may damage the pool liner. One of the things I did want to mention though is a lot of times that homeowners with the value of their home don't take into consideration the value of their swimming pool should be incorporated into the value of their home. So for example, if you have a $400,000 home and your pool is $50,000 to replace new, your true value of your property really should be at $450,000.
Right.
So you always want to make sure that the value of your pool is included in the replacement value of your home.
That's a great tip. Never thought of that.
Again, if you look at what an in-ground pool costs now to put in, it's an expense that you want to make sure is included in the event that there's a total loss, because if there's a total loss with a fire and the pool is really close to the home, chances are when they go to excavate the home and the foundation, the pool will have to come off with it, or there'll be damage from the fire to the pool. You want to make sure that coverage for your pool, the value of your pool, is included in the value of your property or your home insurance.
Well, and pools these days, like you said, they can be 40, 50, 60, even up to $100,000 depending on the size and the landscaping that goes around it, right?
Yeah,
so that's great advice. Thanks for joining us today.